How's it, everyone? Welcome to BSMD Collectibles. Thank you for tuning in and happy weekend. Today, we're not opening the OP12. Today's unboxing for the weekend is going to be finally opening my OP04 English version. I've had this, I want to say, since last year. And I was going to say, but you know what? Let's just open it. Let's see what we can actually get from it. Hopefully, we can get a manga. We're going to search for that manga. So, without further ado, we're going to be opening OP04. Kingdoms of Intrigue. For those of you who've been subscribing, thank you. Appreciate it. And for those of you just stopping by, thank you for stopping by. Yeah, so this channel, always opening One Piece, and sometimes Pokemon and other stuff, but mainly focusing on One Piece right now. Yeah. We're going to do OP04. Center it. Hopefully we can pull our manga, find our manga. Maybe, maybe not. But you know what? All that matters is we're having fun. But yeah. And for those of you that don't know yet, I do have a Whatnot channel. I think it might be my description. Maybe. I don't know. I might put it there. But yeah, I do have a Whatnot shop. And that's where I do sell cards that I open on this channel. And things that I don't open that I sell. But these are for sale on my store. I don't know if you can call it store, but yeah. Anyway, let's get back to unboxing. I'm in focus. Just trying to get that manga. Finally get a manga. I think we're day 200 plus now in our shorts. But yeah, let's do this. So I'll get it back. Let's go, manga. First pack. Can we get? Who's the manga? Ace. I think Ace is on this one. Ooh. I have to do this. I have to do that. Okay, first card. I have a lot of trash. First card. We got Rabian, Giola, Chingyao, Kung Fu Jugong. Guys are awesome. Mr. Law, Dribbles in, Happiness Punch, Lao G, Mr. Bantu, Gum King Kong Gum, Mr. 5, and hey, we have a Pel SR. Pel SR. Sleepy Pel. First SR. Let's see if we can open this. Should be. There you go. There you go. I think it's need. OP04 is pretty good at the way that they boxed it. Got Giola. Oh, let me separate that. Right there. Put my common uncommon on this side. Or Lumbus. So it's a brand new setup. Haru. Cobra, I'm using a different stand, so I'm trying to figure it out. Ideo. Dragon Twister. Hera. Mr. Bond. Heavenly Fire for a rare, and got Sabo for SR. Next one. Come on, manga. Manga time. Maybe. Miss Golden Week. We got Sanji. Kuro. Pound. Cake. Viola. Gun Muduki. Korea Colosseum. Mr. Luffy. Mac Vice. Hodge Ruden. We have Cures for the rare, and Yamato for the SR. Hey, been pulling SR. That sign. But that was an easy one. An easy tear. Bam. We've got Stussy. CP0. And from. She lived a long life. She's been living a long life. It's Golden Week. Black Maria, Roki, Mr. 13 and Miss Friday, Nami, Sweet Don't Blah Blah Blah, Lao G, Gum Gum King Kong Gun, Mr. 4, Babe Ruth. We got Zora for the rare and Mr. Crocodile for the SR. Next up, let's go to the first leader pack of the day. Oimo and Kashi, Rabian, Banana Gator, Merry Christmas, Otama, Coliseum, Apis, Blaze Blue, Charlotte Moscato, Baby 5, Isho, Frankie, and Ulti for the rare. Is there an SP here? Our other leader card. Ooh, there you go. Tony Chopper, Ipanmatsu, Dellinger, Miss Golden Week, Cobra, Roki, Viola, Koza, Dragon Twister, Vivi for the leader. You got Trueno Bastardo, Event, and Treble for the rare. Okay. Caramel, Ice Oni, Sanji, Pound, Otama, Barrier, Apis, Usopp, Sasaki, Hiyori for uncommon, Miss Valentine for rare, and Cavendish for the SR. Oh, Cavendish for rare. Oh, I thought that was an SR. My bad. Come on, Manga. Come on, Manga. Ice Oni, Kuro, Golden Week, Uemon Kashi, Spero, Barrier. Oh, need Barrier on this comic card. Yokozuna. Event card. We got Usopp, Page 1, Gum Gum Red Rock, and Ingram from Alabasta. Ingram was a female. Oh, one to dress as a female. Okay. We've got the Banana Gator, Charlotte Bavarios, Bavaroa, Chinjao, Favela, Gun Modoki, Miss Merry Christmas, Ideo, Hajruden, Super Spark. Oh, this is a cool card. Oh, the Ducks, Queen for the leader, Spiderweb, and Color Strap from Baroque Works. Ooh, that was a solid one. Uemon Kashi, Daddy Masterson, Banana Gator, Happiness Punch, Spero, 13 on Friday, Gun Budoki, Toko, Queen, Eric, Shaka, and Charlotte Amande. Charlotte Amande. Put this on this side. Next up, I think we're halfway done. No, I don't know. For drought, I have not pulled an SR. Everything is leader or rare. Yeah. We got Pound Cake, Kuro, Sanji, Hanger, yeah, Nami, Uroki, Sparrow, Iceberg, Enchanting Vertical Dance, Gyats. We got King for rare and Kaido for the SR. There's our SR. Oh. Next up, watch out leader. Nope, just a like regular leader. We got Mr. Chopper, Tony Chopper, Carmel, Masterson, Randolph. Weakness is an unforgettable sin. Roki, Happiness Punch, Toko, Baby 5, Rebecca, Cavendish for the rare, and Spiderweb. Put it in there. There you go. Hopefully everybody's weekend going good so far. Comment down below. Where is it? Can't figure out what's happening this weekend. Just had Father's Day last weekend. Dellinger, Hanger, Orlumbus, Nami, Tonoyasu, the Don Quixote family, Playgrounds, this is messed up, Suleiman, Luffy, Troll for the rare, and Heroes for the rare. Okay. Boom. Orlumbus, Karu, Tom, Kuro. Weakness is an unforgivable sin. Viola. Oh, sorry. Toniyasu, Toko's dead. Trafalgar Law. Page 1. Hera. We got Rebecca for the rare, and Senor Pink for the rare. Rares. Hey, here's the first Don card. What is a Don card for this set? Oh, at first I thought it was upside down, but it's actually Black Maria upside down. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Black Maria, Stussy, Pound Cake, Event card, Tama, Hideo, Miss Palm Cannon with his bugger, Yachts, Queen for the rare, or for the leader, Holden, and Frankie with, this is a Don card for this set. Will you call me your shipmate? I'm gonna put that up there because I like that Don card. The Don is very cool. Okay. Bam. We got Giola, Karu, Jinjao, Tom, Apis, Cobra, Sparrow, Duckbill Tricks, Jack, Hera, Ulti for the rare, and there you go. Hey, you got a Magellan SP. Is this a hit? This is a hit. This is a nice hit. Not a manga, but pretty solid hit. Got the backing. Nice. A little bit bottom heavy, but semi is good. Yeah, definitely gonna put this right there. I think I'm a top loader. Top loader is pretty. There you go. Put you next to Luffy. There. Or that. Perfect. Can we get a manga? Did we lose a manga because we got an SP? Loser. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. We'll see. Nice. Away. Family. Law. Randolph. Playgrounds. Flapping thread. Sister 4. Solomon. Diamante, and Luffy. Luffy SR. Okay. There's another leader card. Who are the leaders in this pack? Yeah, who are the leaders in this pack? Dellinger, Hanger, Cobra, Perspero, Coliseum, Mr. Jack, Diable Jamde, Joe Shot, Crocodiles, Olin, and Bad Manners Kick Course. Alright, 6 more left. Oh, there we go. We got an alt-art leader. Alt-art leader. Who could it be? Actually, we're gonna do this. Good centering too. Okay. Put him there for now. On the side. Here we got Charlotte Bavarios, Tom, Ippon Matsu, Karu, Hideo, Gun Modoki, Mr. 13 Miss Friday, and that's Palm Cannon, Queen, Hiyori, and Kinemon. Alright. Can I get a manga? Is manga still alive? I don't know. But that'd be cool if you can get a 3-pack. 3 hits in this box. Black Maria, Yokozuna, Don Quixote, Randolph, Mac Boys, Mr. Bond 2, Mr. 2, Leo. We got Igaram and Dofi. Finally get to see Dofi. Okay, 2 more packs. 2 more packs. I think there's 1 more Don. Okay, 2 Dons per set. Orlumbus from Fujugon. Ippon Matsu. Happiness Punch. Tanyasu. Viola. Playgrounds. Flapping Thread. Mr. 3. Capone Veggie and King Veggie. I was gonna start collecting Veggie, but oh, here's the Gundam Dawn. There it is. I still might. Couple is pretty cool. Masterson, Tom, Yokozuna, Barrier, 13 Miss Friday, Koza, Sasaki, Crocodile, Rebecca, Valentine, and our other Dawn. Our last Dawn. Alright. Let's go manga. Last two pack magic. And of course, front and center is Hanger, Stussy, Carmel, Nani, Tamayasu, The Coliseum, Miss Merry Christmas, the Alijami Shoot, Iceberg, Dofia's Leader, by Magic Course, and Capone Gang Veggie. Alright, last pack magic. Give us something good. Let's go manga. Rabian, Ippon Matsu, Isoni, Charlotte Bavaroa, Playgrounds, Randolph, Yokozuna, Hajruden, Usopp, the one Kingdom Gun, Diamante, and Mr. 5. So it's a 2-hit pack. Oh, and here's a leader card. Master Villa, what do you think it is? Let's see it. What do you think it is? And it is. Hey, we've got Crocodile Leader. Not bad. We got an Alt-Art Leader. And Magellan SV. Not too bad for a pack. But still no manga. I'm still searching for that manga. Alright. Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. Till next time. We're still searching for manga in this channel. Shoots. Till next time. Mahalos.